Blocks opposite word and counting numbers. Count up and count down. Let's get started. Little, little, little. Big, big, big. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little natives. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little natives. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little natives. 10 little native little boys. 10 big, 9 big, 8 big natives. 7 big, 6 big, 5 big natives. 4 big, 3 big, 2 big natives. 1 big native man. Young, young, young. Old, old, old. 1 young, 2 young, 3 young natives. 4 young, 5 young, 6 young natives. 7 young, 8 young, 9 young natives. 10 young native boys. 10 old, 9 old, 8 old natives. 7 old, 6 old, 5 old natives. 4 old, 3 old, 2 old natives. 1 old native man. Short, short, short. Long, long, long. 1 short, 2 short, 3 short natives. 4 short, 5 short, 6 short natives. 7 short, 8 short, 9 short natives. 10 short hair native boys. 10 long, 9 long, 8 long natives. 7 long, 6 long, 5 long natives. 4 long, 3 long, 2 long natives. 1 long hair native girl. Hot, hot, hot. Cold, cold, cold. 1 hot, 2 hot, 3 hot natives. 4 hot, 5 hot, 6 hot natives. 7 hot, 8 hot, 9 hot natives. 10 hot native boys. 10 cold, 9 cold, 8 cold natives. 7 cold, 6 cold, 5 cold natives. 4 cold, 3 cold, 2 cold natives. 1 cold native girl. Fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow, slow. 1 fast, 2 fast, 3 fast natives. 4 fast, 5 fast, 6 fast natives. 7 fast, 8 fast, 9 fast natives. 10 fast native boys. 10 slow, 9 slow, 8 slow natives. 7 slow, 6 slow, 5 slow natives. 4 slow, 3 slow, 2 slow natives. 1 slow native girl. Happy, happy, happy. Sad, sad, sad. 1 happy, 2 happy, 3 happy natives. 4 happy, 5 happy, 6 happy natives. 7 happy, 8 happy, 9 happy natives. 10 happy native boys. 10 sad, 9 sad, 8 sad natives. 7 sad, 6 sad, 5 sad natives. 4 sad, 3 sad, 2 sad natives. 1 sad native girl.